So ways that we can help overcome some of the OMP challenges are really focusing on product differentiation, manufacturing efficiency, and workflow and productivity gains. Um, we're all familiar with the challenges of manufacturing in today's time. And if you talk to any manufacturing industry, it's pretty consistent what the issues are. We have a labor shortage of skilled labor. We have a growing need of technology-based labor. We have a supply chain issue, on and on and on. And when you look at MJF technology, what we do is can replace a lot of those challenges all in a single print. And also a little bit of detail here in a couple slides. But by and large, some of the two key pillars really are product differentiation. We can do a lot with unique design. There is just a ton of capabilities. And honestly, I think we've really only touched the surface of what designers can really achieve with MJF technology and the design capabilities that come along with that. Some of that limitation is really in the software companies and their adoption of these design features into their software. And some of it is just we haven't imagined it yet, but the possibilities are certainly there. The other key pillar is really workflow simplification. We can improve productivity significantly when it comes to foot orthotics, AFOs, even prosthetics. And largely that's because we reduce a lot of the manual labor required to support all of the manufacturing that goes into a device. So think of any type of device, when we look at labor, we're not just talking the ability to make the device, but all the tools required, all of the repairing or replacement of the tools, the gathering and storing of materials. If you look at the amount of touch points that it takes to make a device, not just when we're sitting at our workbench, but all of the supporting activities around it, it's quite extensive. And if we move everything into a single 3D printing ecosystem, we can take all of that complex touch points and move it into largely into a single print job. So very, very efficient. And you can see here the incredible variety of applications that are already using ONP. In fact, if you walk any of our trade shows like AOPA or American Academy or AAOP, the American Academy of Orthotic and Prosthetics, you will see, it's a pretty astonishing amount of products that are developed using MJF technology. Now, I will be the first to say that MJF technology might not be the right technology for every single application, certainly, but I will say that if you are looking for, impactful design, great isotropic properties, and scalability, really MJF should definitely be one of the first places that you should be looking.